This is Project CL, an E.C.D D90. CL is painted in a full Gloss Arles Blue exterior with black accents all round. This D90 sits on 18-inch 1983 Cairn black wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres and our E.C.D Brembo brakes. Project CL also features the classic NAS style soft top cage, classic bumper with one winch and daytime running lights. The inside of this D90 features a Momo Prototipio wood steering wheel with CL silver gauges, 2 heated Exmoor Elite front seats and 4 inward facing jump seats in the cargo area. Each seat is wrapped in a double diamond vertical Irish cream leather stitched in tan. CL is powered by our LS3 430 horsepower engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 is packed with an array of modern conveniences. It features our premium JL Audio sound system with CarPlay and plenty of charging points. This D90 is an absolute blast to drive, perfect for the weekend getaway.